today with the 2019 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.